The world's largest pumpkin festival is going on in Ludwigsburg, a small town that's 30 minutes away from our home. So that's gonna be our destination today. We took a train from Stuttgart to Ludwigsburg and from there a bus to the palace. Stuttgart's public transportation is pretty good and well connected. Tickets are valid on suburban trains, metros, and buses. The whole Stuttgart city and surrounding towns are grouped in zones, and day tickets are available for each zone. Ludwigsburg is in Zone 2, and the day ticket from Stuttgart to Ludwigsburg for 2 people costs around 12 euros. So we are here in Ludwigsburg Palace, or Ludwigsburg Schloss, as they say in German. But no, we couldn't enter the pumpkin festival yet. Due to high number of COVID cases, the German government has restricted entry to many events. Entry is only allowed for people who are fully vaccinated, recovered from COVID in last 6 months, or those who have a negative test report. Since we aren't vaccinated yet, we are going to get our rapid test done.
After almost 2 hours of roaming and waiting, we finally entered the palace ground. Entry costed 10 euros each per adult. And we were welcomed by these 3 massive pumpkins. Seems to be the heavyweight champions of this year, each weighing more than half a ton. There are many snack counters and even some souvenir shops on the way before entering the festival arena.
Pumpkin Festival usually starts every year in the start of September and goes on until the start of December. There are more than 450,000 pumpkins on display, weighing a total of over 150 tons. That's a lot of pumpkins.
Shops here sell different types of pumpkins.
Every year, the organizers adopt a theme for the decorations. And if you haven't guessed already, the theme for this year is underwater. Sculptures of ocean species and related things are made entirely out of pumpkins. There are sculptures of dolphins, octopus, fishes, submarines, seahorse, and especially the mermaid, where no child leaves without taking a pic with it.
Pumpkins from almost every country in the world is on exhibition here. Check out the shapes and colors. We didn't know these many varieties of pumpkins even exist. We even found one from India.
There were a few food counters that offered different pumpkin-based foods and snacks. There is also a children's park here called Märchengarten, that means fairy tale garden. It has many children's rides just like this one here, and also a boat ride, train ride and many other activities which are all included in the entrance fee.
Lebte ich neben Zwergen und Mohren seit 1765 in dieser Fürstenresidenz. Mit 7 3/4 Schuh, das sind stolze 2,4 Meter.
This park isn't related to the Pumpkin Festival, and this park is also open throughout the year. It is definitely worth a visit and will bring out the inner child in you. This mini theater is playing the Aladdin movie. And this mini train is so cute that even we adults couldn't resist wanting to ride it.
This is such an entertaining place. You can spend your whole day here, especially with your kids.
Unfortunately, the day ended already. It's too dark and the phone is out of charge too. There were few other places of interest which we could have covered if we entered the palace around 10 am.
But we couldn't. So that's all for today. See you on another easy vacation.